you own a Mac and you want to record your screen quickly and easily, but you don't want to pay a monthly subscription cost. Martinus! What's up, guys? Martinus back again with another video. All right, and in this video we'll be discussing screen recording on Mac specifically. Now, I use screen recording to when I'm doing my tutorials with Ableton, with Audacity, or just simply doing a mix and I want to record my screen in Serato. The fact of it is, recording your screen on a Mac, it's very easy to find, but sometimes it can be overlooked. You scroll past it. Before it was stuck with QuickTime, but now we are using Screenshot. It's like a upgraded version in your Mac right now, and guess what? Love it, love it, love it. So let me dive in, show you how I use the screen recording on a Mac for free. All right, so let's dive down into Serato. In most of my videos, I use Screenshot to record Serato screen. So to pull up the shortcut to pull up Screenshot is Shift Command and 5. Okay. And once you pull it up, it's gonna come with the full width of the screen. All right. Now over here, let's go down to the bottom. On the left hand side of the bottom of the screen, that is the tab right here, you're able to actually capture your screen, like take a photo and stuff like that. Okay, so you could take a portion of the screen, you could take a selected window, you could just take the entire screen. All right, our main concern today is we want to record our screen. Okay, so on the right, that's where the screen recording comes in. Okay, you could record your entire screen, or you could record a portion of the screen. That's what I normally do when I'm making certain videos, and I narrow it down and crop my screen right here and just do a simple screen recording when I'm doing my DJ mixes, quick and fast and easy on a Mac. Just hit record. When you hit record, it's going to be up here, right? See, I just stop it. I could right click on it. When you right click on it, you're able to save it to your desktop, save it to your documents, wherever, send it in a message, delete it if you don't want it. If you want to edit it, you can actually go to the markup and quick, fast, easy. You could play it if you want. I won't do it at this time because the audio will play back. So you could play it at this time. You could, hit this button right here that you could trim your clip. Again, you could delete it. You could share it. You could hit done if you want to keep it. So pretty much it's really intuitive, it's really fast, it's really quick, not a lot of features, but it gets the job done whether you want to just capture something on your screen real quick. All right, now let's look at a few other stuff. So Shift Command and 5. Okay, and let's just look at a few other options that you have right here. Now again, if you go to the option, you're able to save it to the documents, mail, you have a timer. So let's say you want 5 seconds before the recording starts, you're able to do that. You want to do 10 seconds, you're able to do that. Basically, if let's say you're playing a game or you're using a software and you want everything to be connected in the Mac, you want all audio that's on the Mac, right, to be selected. Yeah, you could. I have loopback audio. Talk about that in another video, right? But you are able to set up aggregated devices and select your input. All right. Now, mouse clicks. You could show mouse clicks. So anywhere you click on the screen, it will show you that you're clicking on it. That's great when you're doing tutorials like this. But sometimes I do find it annoying. Okay, so that's really quick, really fast, no long video. That's how you do a quick screen recording on your Mac. To exit this screen, all you have to do is hit escape. That's it. That's how easy it is. So if you want to do something a little bit more advanced, I'm going to recommend Rob Balasabas. He has a video that he compares a couple of softwares, and I think that video is really good, so I'm going to recommend it. The video is going to be down in the description. Okay, so just click the link if you want to get a little bit more advanced. That being said, Martin Dust, don't know, big ups to all the subscribers. And listen, if you have not yet subscribed, please, I encourage you to do so and hit the like button. Also subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new content. Until next time, enough big ups for watching this video, and see you soon. Boom, I'm out.